Gorgeous waterfront views. First floor 3 bedroom / 2 bath spacious coach home, west attached garage, west paver driveway and walkway. Completely remodeled kitchen, west all the bells and whistles featuring high quality finishes plus LG stainless steel appliances, glass tile backsplash, white plateau granite countertops, self-closing wood cabinets, west pull-out drawers, extra cabinets. Enjoy spectacular sunsets every night from west-facing, light and bright living room. Lake and fountain views from almost every room. Triple split bedroom plan. Waterfront master suite, west walk-in closet and bathroom, west dual sinks, LG walk-in shower and separate tub. West-facing lanai is glassed in and screened. Montego Bay has its own private community pool, cable and alarm monitoring included. All ages. Pet friendly. Mangated NO Club membership required.